What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja and we're back with another hair installation video for you guys. For today's video, we will be installing a unit from LUVME here, and I wanted to show you guys their new packaging because of course branding is everything and LUVME here is upgrading, they're expanding, and they got a new package. I just wanted to show you guys. It's super pretty, so look out for it in the mail when you order your packages. So we did receive a few goodies in our package, and again, branding is everything. They did send us a scarf, a wig cap, a tail comb, and all of these have their logo on it. If you're not new on my channel, then you know I've been working with LUVME here for a very long time, and I've always been showing you guys their glueless units. This time, this video is a little bit different. Today we're showing you guys their 360 lace wig. They do offer those as well. So this is the unit. This is their 20-inch 360 full lace wig. I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and put our wig cap on. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation to the wig cap. So this is what the lace looks like. It's a 360 lace. It goes right around the wig. This is it. And of course the inside has the regular combs in the side, and then one in the middle and one in the back. But what I'm about to do is to remove the ones in the side because they just eat away your edges. So this is what the wig is looking like. This is it. What I'm about to do now is to cut the ear tabs out, because in order to install it, you need to fit it to your head. So I'm about to cut the ear tabs out, and then we'll go ahead and glue the unit. But this is it. The hairline is looking pretty good. It's already plucked for us, and they did bleach the knots for us, and it's giving us a really pretty vibe. So let's go ahead and finish this up. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. What I'm about to do is to cut it into 3 layers before I glue it. It's just easier to handle that way. I'm just gonna glue it like a regular wig, and then when I get in the back, then I'll go ahead and show you guys the back. So for today, I will be using my Eben Wonder Lace Bond glue to install the unit. So this is what the hairline is looking like. I haven't melted it or anything. I wanted to glue the back and then I'll just melt everything together. But it is giving us a really super natural vibes. This is it. Let's go ahead and do the back. All right, so this is what it's looking like once I melted the lace. It's giving us super natural. I'm about to go ahead and style the unit. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I love how this turned out. We managed to get a natural install, no baby hair install out of the unit. Super pretty. Love how this looks. This is the final look. Super bouncy. Again, this unit is from LUVME Hair. This is their 20-inch body wave wig. This one is their 360 lace, and I love what it's given. It's super pretty. If you want to get this unit, then I will be linking the unit down below, so make sure you go ahead and check out my description to make your purchase. This is the final look. Super gorgeous. I love how soft and bouncy this is. This is the final look. This is it. This is where I'll leave you guys for today. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.